Number of casualties?
40,000.
We need to do something new, something different, something the Hun will never see coming. The Germans have built bunkers 30 feet below ground level. Now we've thrown everything we've got at them, and nothing. We're going to tunnel under no man's land, blow the enemy to kingdom come.
Still don't see what this has to do with us.
We don't have the expertise, but you men do.
I didn't realize that meant putting our war effort into the hands of uneducated, untrained civilians.
Give me 4 months, sir. Can you do it in time?
I don't know. We're the only crew that can.
Without us, those tunnels are gonna fail.
He's gonna break!
Brace the walls!
We checked the tunnel. There's some faint sounds scraping. It looks like the Germans are digging now too.
The Germans know we're coming.
If this is successful, it could change the face of the war. Gentlemen, tonight, we may not make history.
We do this, the war's over.
Gary!